Has your family grown? Are you upgrading or downsizing or needing to find more space? You've come to the right place. In this video, we're going to give you some savvy strategies on how to find the right home without breaking the bank. Let's dive in. The biggest challenge when you start house hunting is determining your budget. So you need to assess your finances, analyze your income, know your savings, know what you can afford monthly so that we can comfortably allocate to your new home the budget that you set forth. Get pre-approved for a mortgage. Guys, that is crucial. Talking with a mortgage lender and getting pre-approved can give you a clear idea of what your borrowing capacity is, as well as allow you to focus on homes that are in your budget. Also, factor in any future expenses. Consider education, healthcare, childcare costs also when you're setting your budget. You may not have it in your budget now, but forecasting just for a small bit in the future can really help allocate your budget. Now that you have a budget in mind, let's look at the best neighborhoods in Lake Charles for growing families. You want to look really for family-friendly areas. You want to look for neighborhoods with good schools, nearby parks, welcoming community atmosphere. You also want to research up-and-coming neighborhoods because those prices might be a little affordable now, and they also have potential for appreciation in the future. And then your convenience to location and commute. Consider the commute to work, proximity to services, schools, and local amenities when you're choosing the right location. Buying a home without breaking the bank does involve some strategy, and here's really what you need to know. Start small, upgrade gradually. If you think buying a large home now seems financially challenging, then consider maybe buying something smaller and then upgrading as your family or your finances grow. Also, consider maybe a fixer-upper. If you can find a fixer-upper that maybe needs just a little reno work and maybe a little sweat equity, you can actually add value over time. Negotiate with sellers as well, because this is a buyer's market, and so a skilled real estate agent knows exactly the negotiating tactics that it may take to navigate in a buyer's market. Also, it's very important that you partner up with a real estate agent and a lender that has a connection with finding home buying incentives. There are first-time home buyer programs out there that really are fabulous, and you need to get with somebody that can bring those two together. One of the biggest challenges for growing families is saving for a down payment. And here are some practical tips that you can use to build up your down payment fund. One is create a budget. Really track your expenses and identify areas where you can kind of cut back and save more money to add to your down payment. Also, maybe open up a separate savings account just for down payment. You can actually avoid spending it if you have it set aside, and set up automated transfers. So when you have checking to savings, make sure you do that every month so you're consistently adding to that down payment fund. Congrats on taking the very first steps towards buying a home for your growing family in Lake Charles. You need to set a realistic budget, research affordable neighborhoods, consider those smart home buying strategies, and really with careful planning and the right approach, you can actually find the very perfect home without stretching your finances too thin. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more valuable content.